Hello students. Now in this session I will describe you the sorting and the filtering. In the last session I have discussed cell referencing. There were three types of cell referencing. I think you have must entertained and you could understand everything. Now the sorting. You can sort data by text, numbers and dates and times in one or the more columns. So to make you better understand this sorting and filtering, you take out your book and open your lesson number 3, the respective pages in front of you. And second thing, the screen is divided into two parts. The left part is the example I have taken, and in the right side of the screen you are looking the video in which the window I am here. The sorting is possible in the two ways you know very well. Number one is ascending to descending. Number one is ascending to descending. Number two is descending to ascending, or we can say increasing or decreasing, ascending sorting or descending sorter. In the ascending sorting, the content sort from smaller to bigger, lower to upper, or we can say A to Z form. When you will make the sort content descending order, so that will be in the form of Z to A, or we can say larger to smaller, or bigger to smaller, or larger to lesser, lesser to smaller, like this. So I have taken one example. You can see in the right side, sorry, in the left side of the screen. Here are few objects like butter, toast, atta, Maggi, cold drink, namkeen. Nowadays this is only is required too much, because you are at home, you need every time to eat something. I also have taken the such materials. Here are the list, sorry, here is a list of the 11 element and the price of how much money, how much rupees the object is purchased. There is a list. We can sort this list on the basis of the name of the commodities or the object. So to do so, we will select the, I have selected the name of the object, and then there is sort button. You see in the screen only the movement of the mouse pointer. This is the sort and filter option. In the sort and filter option I have pressed, and there are two options, sort A to Z and Z to A. You know that A to Z is, A to Z is the ascending order and Z to A is descending order. So as you will press the A to Z, it will ask the one thing, the Microsoft Office Excel found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected the data, it will not be sorted. What is the problem coming? See once again. Here the butter on the first number and atta on the third number. When it will be sort, so atta will come first, obviously. Atta purchased of the rupees 100 and it is on the third place. If only atta will be sort and go to the first position, so then the price of the atta, how much it was purchased, it will become 125. So then the list will become wrong. To avoid such situations, what to do? Again see the sort and filter, sort A to Z. Here is one option, expand the selection, means with the atta, see with atta 103 is there, third is its serial number and 100 is the price. The both information will go with this 100 up and down wherever. So it will be possible when the expand the selection takes place. Now we will press sort. You see the number third atta come on first, and the price of how much rupee atta was taken, that also come along with the atta. Now it is the sorted in the ascending order. Atta butter, chocolate, cold drink, dry fruits, ghee, Maggi, milk, namkeen, soap and toast. So these are the regarding price also sorted. If you are little confused there, so you go back and see this video again. Now I come back in my original position and then sort the data Z2A. You see the Z, the last content is Maggi toast is 256 on the second position. It will come at the top position. See second toast 256 and atta will be in the last. It is in the descending order. Now see, now comes we can follow some steps. It is given on the page number 31 to sort data conditionally. How to sort data conditionally? It is given here. Select the column in the data range of the cells. You make sure that the active cell is in the table column. So go to the data tab, sort and filter group. So go to the data tab, sort and filter group, click on sort icon, sort dialog box will appear. So here we have selected in the data tab, this is the data tab, sort and filter group. This is sort and filter group. Click on sort icon, you see, and do click on sort icon. Expand the selection will came in the sort dialog box. So there is one option, sort dialog box will appear. This is sort icon. Now it is asking us under column, continue with the current cell. Step 4, sort dialog box will appear. Under column, in the sort by box, select the column that you want to sort. Under sort 1, select the type of sort. Under order, select how you want to sort. Sort to case sensitivity. So to do so, we will follow the given steps as on the page number 31. So conditionally, here conditionally sorting is also possible. So how does the conditionally sorting? I can say the case sensitivity. Here is given the description about the case sensitivity. So to make the case sensitivity, we will see once again on the sort option. You will press on the sort button. The sort dialog box will appear. Sort by, it is asking by the serial number, by name or by price. Suppose now I want to sort according the price. Okay, condition is given here. Then sort on its value. Yes, sort on its value, because I have given only the values. And it is also can be sort by cell color, font color, cell icon, smallest to largest. Is smallest to largest. And now okay, the smallest value is 100 rupees atta. You take care, and it will be it should come on the top or in the bottom as the selection takes place. You see now 100, 125, 145, 169, 254, 256, 258 and so on. Now you see the selection on the basis of the prices, but the objects are not in so order, in that order which you have done first. The selection was when the selection was take place on the basis of the name of the object. So by this way we can sort data conditionally. Now again we come in the original position, and we can do the filtering. What is filtering? So when we filter something, means we take some part and we remove some part, or we stop some content from it. So how does the content stop from it? There are two type of filtering, you can say auto filter and advanced filter. So when you filter some oil or etc., so the impurity of the oil or the mixing of the oil become out, or to make it out only you follow the filtering option. The same thing is here. When you apply filter on the data, so you, it means you are uh, trying to take out some record, and rest record to be keep uh, close. Okay, so here suppose you are taking out few record from this the list of the 11 objects. I want to filter from this list those items which are more than 500 rupees, means which are purchased more than rupees 500. So it is called the applying filtering on the given data. Suppose you are having a list of your class students and you have taken out those students who got less than 5 marks out of 20. So it is called filtering. It means that more than 5 marks once you have removed from the list, but you have you have applied a filter on it to take out those students who got less than 5. So like this we can apply two type of filter, auto filter and advanced filter. Auto filter, when you use this option, the black color drop down control will be appeared on the right of the column heading of the list, and by using it you can filter data. Advanced filter, this is used when you need to filter the data based on specific criteria. That only criteria I told you, no, ki rupees, the object more than rupees 500 or those students who got less than 5, it is called criteria, condition. Or you want to copy the filter data to some other location, you can shift the data from other. So how to filter the data? Select the data you want to filter. We want to filter all these selected data. Then follow the step on page number 32. Take your book with you. Go to data tab. I am in data tab. In the filter option, filter and group, sort and filter group I am in, and then filter option, filter press, kar diya press. Now you are looking that the serial number, name and price, all these cells are having a arrow button along with it. Okay, arrow button in the column header, and then click on the text filter or number filter. Now here are the serial name, serial number, name and prices. I have taken another example. It is easier to make you understand. Then afterward, here we have taken the price. लगा देंगे price. Sort largest, sort by name filter. Here all are the selected more than 501. Suppose I select. So okay, you see there are more than 501, this and this 463, and this. These are left to do. Remove that also one by one. Okay, not it mean that your the rest records are deleted. No, these are hidden. In the same way, we can apply the filter in the different ways. Now remove filter, so you see all the records are shown. So it was the filtering of data and sorting of data have done with an example. You can also do it at your home if you are having a laptop or computer with you. So you must try it. In the next session I will try to tell the next things. Thank you.